Other than that,
Start
it's just
episode 6.
pregnant.
Kill Denji?
What's over under? That's pretty scary though.
Yeah.
You entered a fucking building and now you're stuck.
Bro,
y'all not all on the same level.
This is really interesting.
This is insane.
Imagine seeing some shit like that.
Yeah, they never get hours. And I mentioned that
What's that gonna do?
I'm not gonna prove anything.
Protection.
And I respect
You gotta make sure it's yes, so.
She's freaking
Look from that side. Shit breaks.
she's just a baby.
They're stuck in a
People are gonna
genjutsu.
really like Kobeni.
Like a
Which
portal.
devil is this that's doing this?
Which one that they stuck?
She's using company as
I think he's trying to understand her. Is he gonna try to go out another way?
Looks
I
fantastic.
wouldn't even be a devil hunter in the first place, but if I had to be,
Hey,
that would
I wouldn't even close the door.
Mad suspicious. No escape from this hotel, wherever the fuck they're in.
It's like you just keep out.
This is so
Jumped
fucking.
through the window?
Jumped through the window and went through into another room and came out the same door.
This is some Silent Hill shit, yo. What the?
Bro, she's having panic.
What is this? What is this hotel,
Why are you
bro?
scared?
They're stuck on the 8th floor specifically.
It's a tricky dick.
I wonder which devil.
It's a cool little gimmicky power, but once they find out, it's probably gonna kill us.
Not
Decided to stay in a room.
Yeah, I love Denji in the bed.
So I'm just really wondering.
Definitely.
I don't remember this at all in the manga.
So they're literally stuck.
So
It's out of order. Order.
What if the devil is the
Through the ceiling,
Every
dude. That's
goddamn
crazy.
possible route out of the damn hotel. Imagine. That's even scarier. The thought that the devil they already killed's power is still active.
True.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all haven't checked
Flesh.
that.
Oh.
Completely no reaction.
Oh, they
was
just
dumb
chose
devil.
to go in there. Because didn't it lead
Oh,
them
they've
there?
never seen a devil do this kind of tactic before. They always
What
just
if the
fight head
devil
on.
is the... What if the devil is the 8th floor, right?
what you're thinking?
No. Yeah.
He's like, I ain't blinking, bro.
They're gonna fall into the same fucking floor as them.
Shut the fuck up.
They'll all be stuck together.
Bro, she's gonna have a
This girl seems so timid, bro.
Don't think like that.
About every, like, the worst possible outcome.
We learn more backstories about this.
That's all it was going to take for them to die if they're stuck here.
What?
Oh.
Oh, they don't believe in it.
Got forced into
What's
this
the
job.
other reason?
Jesus.
That's fucked up.
The sex industry or the devil?
Sucks though. Like for real.
And she wanted to go to college.
So sad.
Oh, bro.
She's letting a lot out on the table right now.
That's like way sadder than the
You are such a devil.
She don't give a shit.
I was gonna say.
That was love fear. This is exciting to her, bro.
I hope
They feed off fear. That's what makes them stronger.
why she
Maybe it's happening because
became a
Kobeni
devil.
was scared. Like when she was like afraid, when little
That's
head.
It's
crazy. The devils find excitement out of seeing someone scared. to jump at first. So maybe that's kind of what it is. Maybe
What a cast of characters.
Stays at 8:18 for a while.
Why is it
8 seems like a
Right,
very
18
significant
specifically.
age.
not moving through time either.
So they don't
That
move.
moving as well. Stuck in a single second.
Wait.
The whole time has
Time
been
has been
frozen.
frozen.
Who froze the time on the 8th floor?
So they're like
Damn. Bro, they're literally stuck in a genjutsu.
Oh, superpowers.
Really, Denji?
Wow, look on the bright side.
Time devil?
This is an infinite super yomi right here.
And then it would be like no.
What's her name? I forgot it already.
She doesn't just think about it worse.
He's gonna get
Wow.
probably the nicest bed he's ever slept in.
Someone could kill you in your sleep, bro. You don't even know where you're at or who's doing this.
So calm.
He's
Just
just
so
I mean, no way.
So freaking
Are you serious?
light.
so
A
funny.
situation like this.
Is he serious?
Like, what is wrong with this kid? Why does our main character have to be so stupid?
Just let him sleep.
Wow.
Let me sleep. He's not a hero.
Eyes open? Oh my god.
I don't think.
Left. We're not gonna end the series here. So we
I
don't
guess
get
it doesn't matter. No
was he
cameras
mad?
cast. So.
But it is sketchy.
This guy's making them do all the work, bro.
While you're sleeping.
How long you been sleeping?
So you went to the vending machine?
Okay, so we have enough to survive.
Okay. At least they found food. Damn, look at the animation, bro. The walking animation on Naki
I
looks
think
so
he's
good.
sweating this entire time. He seems so worried about this.
He seems
How
pretty
long
cool.
have they been here?
Oh,
Afraid.
Everybody else is freaking
Benny was
out.
totally mad. From the toilet.
He was trying to drink toilet water.
she's loving this.
The Nobel Prize?
Oh yeah.
What?
This girl's just chilling.
What the?
Okay, power code is the same.
He wants to be the
Are you
Prime Minister?
stupid?
I swear, power.
I think that's gonna happen, Power.
Yes.
100%. Yeah, she's always
Oh,
like
you're
Put
stuck
this
in
girl in
this.
power.
She's always like that.
Hope she becomes
Or
Prime
anybody
I don't know why I feel like the 8th floor is the devil. Like this area we're in is the devil. That must be why the bullet isn't working anymore as a compass, because they found it.
Crazy.
Does that make sense? I don't
I
know.
cannot get over the way they animate.
Spitballing here. It's just a wild guess.
Oh, there's the last one.
Like the building itself is the devil.
Yes, at least she has hope in the back of her head that somebody's fucking doing something.
Power of nicotine.
You know what'd be crazy? Rocky summoned his fox and it busted through the ceiling just to chomp and he'd probably end up eating it because it was
Flashback.
interesting.
Ah, there you go.
Like he
Is
got his
you?
habits of smoking from her.
Yeah.
Is anyone gonna fucking help that man?
Oh, a blimp.
Well, I mean, there's not much they can do. Like, they're in a fucking time loop. The flashback.
So why did you change his mind?
Oh my
Get
god.
around.
He says that. Smoke because it's good for socializing.
Honestly.
Smoking's bad, okay? Don't do it.
Yep.
He wants revenge. Oh, look at him, baby Aki.
Oh, I see.
Music. I don't
Yeah.
think we've heard this.
So there've been a lot of gun devil victims who've joined the
Only
public safety,
is
huh?
allowed to hold on to it.
Oh shit.
That's a fucked up way to look at
Long
it.
enough to see the effects of it. That's what everyone says.
She might as well smoke.
Aww. Oh!
Jesus Christ.
Shit.
Damn.
That cutaway, though.
Who's that who slapped her?
Who is that?
Who was that? Why did she slap him?
Yeah, what was that?
Whole party's
Oh,
girlfriend.
the girlfriend of a former teammate?
I would imagine.
Stupid, it's not your fault.
Yeah, you got me fucked
Fucked up. She came and smacked her just because she let her daughter die.
That's very rude of him.
Damn.
When someone dies, it's like
That's
the...
really
Oh, she was her
rough.
partner. If they're your
I'm
partner,
gonna
then
slap
they're
that hoe right now.
Let me go take
That's the fucked up way of looking
Is
at it.
Aki
You gonna go
going
say
to
something?
confront that person?
You're not about to fade that old lady.
Nah,
did.
y'all
I
not
think
gonna
that she
agree. If he does, I'm
Wow. Damn, Rocky.
That's so sweet.
Oh, okay.
That works too. That works too. He put gum on her clothes.
That was his
Oh,
payback.
so bad.
Savage.
Give it a small payback.
I swear, Rocky, wow.
It's funny.
That's
You
funny.
get away with that shit. You gotta do something. At least a piece of
I
gum.
love the music, man.
Music is incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, I do get that it's not, you know, that lady's fault. Like, she's grieving and she feels bad that, you know,
Fucking angry if that happened.
Himeno's former teammate is dead. So she kind of blames her in a
Self
sense,
is so
maybe
awesome.
because she
Your
feels
cars,
like,
you
why
get your
wasn't it
plate,
her, you
you
know?
just eat it.
I
Like,
think
She's
that's
also the one
the
who ends up being
Yeah.
alive and all the other teammates die.
If he goes after a devil, he's gonna fuck it up.
so so good.
Smoke a cigarette and I'll give you tofu.
This is how it started.
Yo, she really can't believe I have it.
What a crazy boss.
He's really against it though, man. I
Just
wonder
smoke
how this
cigarettes.
got
Funny
it.
that she did, but really watching it.
It's bad for your bones. What about your lungs, bro?
Music is so good, man.
Their eyes are so pretty.
Animation is so good.
Yeah, he has long legs.
Peer pressure.
No, that's what they all got.
They definitely put a lot of
Smoke a
The
cigarette.
rest is history. Ended up smoking for the rest of his life.
About as far as like their personalities. Yeah.
You can share it.
I meant to mention that.
Bro. He's got a feeling, bro.
You back
Oh, damn.
Indirect
Oh,
kiss.
kiss.
His teeth too are close with each other.
That shit.
He hasn't had that.
And then she'll be
Okay.
like, that thing activated. She'll be like, I didn't get it.
What?
Pissed him off, man.
Is that the same?
That's way stronger.
Why is he?
What?
What the? Ew.
What kind of devil is this? It's got a bunch of faces
Well, at
and
least I
hands.
got a target now.
Nigga, I don't want this side to die what's happening on the screen right
Okay, what's the context?
They want Denji.
Bro,
Wait, why?
Why?
What are they
Wait a minute. Why him? That's
That's funny.
When you specifically ask me someone trying to kill them.
Those motherfuckers to the wolves. No. What the?
On that, he's ready to play.
Oh, let's go back.
Oh, her.
Of course it's her, bro. Like, yo.
Let's do it. Contract.
And this is how devil hunters die,
This one
bro.
we're gonna
Because they
see
do
him
stupid
move.
shit like this.
Knife
Now
my
she's
god.
dead. Good. Knock her ass out, man.
No, knock her out.
There you go.
Oh my god, you felt bad.
But she didn't even want to be here to begin with.
Don't do it.
I feel like that's not gonna be.
Oh, here comes this.
Oh, you can't use it.
He can't?
What?
Damn, they're cut off because they're in this fucking limbo. That's crazy. He can't use his power.
I'm gonna use the ghost and shit.
He can use his
Yo,
ghost
it's got a
stuff.
hand in it. Okay, da-da-da.
It's creepy.
This is so creepy.
Let's get it. He wouldn't expose his main body, Johnny.
Oh, so this is just
Oh, you just gotta cut through it. That's
Yo, they're inside of his body.
You know what?
The whole hotel is the devil.
Why do I feel like this is a Mugen Train situation? Why do I feel like this is an Enmu situation, right? Maybe this devil is fused with the 8th floor and it's hard to summon.
She had to make sure that he knows this shit is
Maybe they're
legit.
very, very
Wait a minute. Why doesn't Denji just go like chainsaw mode, heat himself into one of the dogs' mouth, and then
I see.
like they would be
Which is the contract for dying.
right?
Are you really gonna kill me?
Damn.
Validating, yeah, we can
die.
kill you.
Really,
I
alright?
thought it was awesome.
Weak ass, bro. This
Blanky.
man is
Shut your whoopie asses up.
weak ass, bro. That is
Come on.
disgusting. I thought you people might be capable.
Man, I can't believe they're really, because, well,
But
nobody's
that's
really
your
dead on
What is
incident.
this?
But why does he want him dead though?
Asking why.
Exactly.
Good point, Becky. Good point.
Did we not get to the fucking cat app?
I swear, just thinking about the Nobel Prize.
For my Nobel figure.
Time for her Nobel Peace Prize. Let's
What kind of prize she
That's funny.
She was a devil at
These
some point,
enemies got
so-
contracts.
behind her peace prize?
I don't know if devils can make contracts with devils.
Wow.
You don't rationalize with terrorists, basically.
Should we wrestle the fastest?
Just like.
I really need to know.
I feel like this is a Mugen Train situation. Maybe
Maybe
its body is somewhere on the 8th floor specifically. Like the way with Enlu, he fused with the train. So maybe this devil is fused with the 8th floor specifically. That's my guess.
What would you even call her, dude? Power is.
Is there an eye on that sword?
Like we made progress and then we got stumped again.
So the hint they said, he said they were.
I'm saying like they just
finally
yeet his ass into it.
What happens when he uses a sword?
Oh,
What does he get that sword for?
What's so powerful about his sword?
That's a very
I really want to see.
We've never seen him use his sword, remember, Johnny? He never pulled it out before.
And she really doesn't want him to.
Whoa.
Well, she doesn't even want him to use his sword that bad. She'll kill Denji
Why
instead.
can't he use a sword?
I know, right? Is that what it is?
Everyone's going insane.
Is it like a cursed sword that Aki has? Wow.
Oh, the blood is a fucking nuisance.
This fucking devil girl, bro. Can't trust her ass.
Really?
The way she lurks
What?
is scary.
Bro, this girl is annoying.
Why is she armed again?
Yo, she is just reaching at this point, bro.
Someone knock her out, please.
Power's just having fun though.
Yeah.
She's getting.
Whoa, she gonna kill him
Is
too?
making her.
She had a screw.
What is wrong with you?
All these people are crazy.
Made a pun.
This girl, bro.
She's gonna kill someone right
They keep feeding it.
Let's go.
His heart.
Did somebody die? Did they actually kill that guy? Is that why it expanded?
Yeah. It's getting stronger because of their fear. Orion Kabenis.
Oh my god, she's a
This girl, she needs to fucking die, bro. I'm sorry, but Logan has to go. Is that her name? She is the one who's the most scared. She's making this thing good.
The Eternity Devil.
Yo, this is like a fucking straight up boss fight, bro. This feels very similar to Jujutsu Kaisen, but like in its own right.
How many mouths do you need?
Bunch of mouths just keep opening. Be heard of the devil.
Aki, you have to use your sword, bro.
Do it.
Damn, she doesn't want to use it.
Bro, she's really gonna kill him.
She's been holding it down.
Not you, Aki.
But
What's the drawback?
oh man.
6 years off his life.
It's
Come on, man, a couple years off his life off of this kid's whole life?
He doesn't noodle his other team.
What does that even mean?
Ready to turn on his ass, bro. Already ready. Look at the double
No, you freaking psycho!
Kick yourself and you're the only one who can. Fucking one in the way.
Oh my god!
Yo, I like Aki, man. Aki's cool. He's a true man.
Compared to like episode 2, how he
They
feels.
should have just let him
She
use
should
his
never
sword.
have
Now
been
he's
allowed to
injured.
take
What
this
the
job.
hell?
Oh
He's
my
not just
god.
he's probably the strongest.
He's
You should have just let him go.
because he's only gonna fuck you in the end.
Maybe gonna be like, fuck.
I don't care if he gets killed.
Dude!
She's shot.
And that's all we need.
They have the same goal.
He knows he's gonna need it.
He needs
Wow,
Denji.
I didn't even think he was thinking that far in the
He needs
future.
devil hunters with guns, and that's what he has.
He's gonna die from that wound.
That's the one thing about him, man. He's never been scared to run into danger, bro.
He went like right into probably his lung or
Denji
something.
is different from the rest, and he sees it. Yo, pause it real quick.
I don't remember this at all. That's
Smart.
what I was wondering.
So she can't control other people's blood?
She has some.
And it's interesting too because early on he was questioning.
She can hear.
Yeah, they all have
The samurai head is dead. Aww.
And they're all helping each other.
Yeah, this lady's having an epiphany now. She lost a lot of people.
Damn. Himeno.
He lost her for a second.
Yeah.
Yo,
Wow. She's breaking down.
She's freaking out, bro.
Put the
It
knife
is
She's
your
so
fault,
cool
Benny.
up until now, Chris.
Oh my god, bro.
Hey,
Somebody throw this girl off the cliff or something.
Can someone just kick her into that
This
fucker's
is
mouth?
I'm really
That
getting
is
annoyed
so
by Benny.
annoying.
Here we go. He's gonna go inside it.
It makes me so mad. Like, I want to like her, but she's like making me mad.
That's so good. This is so G,
Go
bro.
straight down and.
Oh shit.
Oh, he's gonna go chainsaw.
Hell yeah.
You promised? When you're outside.
Yeah, all these sexual favors you get for doing stuff.
He's gonna have to chainsaw out.
Yeah. Dude, they haven't seen him yet, so it's gonna be quite cool.
Interesting.
That's crazy.
That's maybe why he wants to kill Denji so bad.
But it asked you to kill me.
Oh shit.
I
Good
see.
observation.
Oh.
Common sense, actually.
Oh my days. Let's go, big man.
Okay.
Give it more pain, Denji.
So it wanted to avoid
Yeah.
killing him
Love to hear it.
itself.
It's cool, bro.
Nice.
He's gonna want so much pain continuously.
He's going very devilish, isn't he?
He was right about that kid, bro. He had guts.
He's responsible now because of what Aki did for him.
Well, using you, but I think he also cares about
You don't want to owe nobody, bro. He's even.
We're allowed to have people.
Oh, this is so good.
Every time he pulls those chainsaws, it hurts him too.
I feel like it's gonna end.
Look,
Please, so it really is.